Hello everyone. So today we're playing Aeroplane Story with Mustafa. Say hi.
Hi.
So I had my exams, that's why I couldn't make any videos, but now I'm with my cousins, so I'll make videos with them now. Alright, let's get into a plane. Let's go there.
Get it?
There are 7 people. My seat is F7.
F9.
Oh, F7 and 9.
F9.
We need to find F first. We have D.
Where's F, bro?
Don't.
This is business.
Actually, no. Let's go ahead.
Where's F, bro?
F H I J. No. A B C D E D F. F is in the middle of the middle. F
F9.
and F7.
I am in the middle, bro.
Me too. F7 is mine. Feel free to explore the aeroplane.
No, I will not explore the aeroplane.
Now, please find your seats as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Remain seated. High turbulence is coming. See, I'm sitting with someone else. You're sitting alone. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. What snack is it? Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy.
I have sandwich.
Me too. I'm not gonna eat it though.
Me too.
Wait, don't tell me. I'm not feeling very well. No. This can't be possible. Wait, this sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. No. Or else I'll die. Oh no, quickly we need to find Muzai 50's baggage for medicine. Look in the baggage storages above you. Quick, help me. Milka.
Mika. Oh, what the hell?
Mustafa, let's go! Nastia found it!
There's mine packet.
Phew, that was a close one. I'm telling Nastia thank you. Alright, good afternoon to all. I inform you we have reached stable altitude. Okay. Now it's night. night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go.
Hey, what's that?
It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing?
Right there. Hey, there. There.
There?
Yeah.
You will not survive.
But
Are those snakes? Snakes, run!
bro, not. No, they are not snakes.
No!
My seat, bro. They can't do anything.
What do you do?
He's on window, right side.
We know. Ah! There's snakes are there! Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly, we'll be safer there.
Oh, bro.
I found it!
I will not come there.
Come on, or else you lose.
Hey, they are snakes.
Alright,
I have full health, man, because I can exit it.
Yeah. I brought him here. Oh no, someone died.
That's right. Oh, 3 died.
Oh no. And the person who died is talking. That was scary. We should discuss what happened. We won't be able to discuss anything because only 3 of us.
Toilet is safe room.
I hope we don't die. Let me eat this sandwich
I
at
have
least.
even full health.
I increased my health because of the sandwich. I've got full health now. Power is back. Finally, power is back. Now we can sit. And those snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy.
Yeah, there was something.
Yeah. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. First, give us good news, please.
No, bro, not bad news.
The good news is the power is back up. Yes.
We know that.
The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mask will drop from your seats. Take one quickly.
Bro,
You have to take one.
I don't have that.
No, not from your seat. Right. Oh no! I hope there is an.
I died.
Oh no! You didn't get the oxygen mask in time.
I don't have oxygen mask on my seat.
Yeah.
And guess what? It will be on your seat.
Yeah, liars. I guess we have to wait. I guess I have to play then.
It's their mistake.
Yeah. Oh, come on! Of course I get the bomb always. Why me? It's always happening that I get the bomb when I play this game. We need to find scissors.
Okay, everyone. Move everyone, bro. You are only 2.
I found scissors. Which cable should I cut? I hope I get this one right.
Right.
Red. I hope you're telling the truth. I will cut the red cable.
No, bro, they are. Oh, shit!
I always get this wrong. This dumb game. Alright, let's end this video here. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.